In this video we are going to talk about 5 times when Earth nearly went extinct. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future. For the last 10,000 years, Earth has been in the midst of yet another extinction event that is rapidly removing animals from our planet. Scientists define a mass extinction as around 3/4 of all species dying out over a short geological time, which is anything less than 2.8 million years, according to The Conversation. Right now, humans find themselves at the beginning of the latest mass extinction, which is moving much faster than any of the others. Since 1970, the populations of vertebrate species have declined by an average of 68%, and currently more than 35,000 species are considered to be threatened with extinction, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Here is the list of the 5 times when Earth nearly went to extinct. Let's start. Number 5. Ordovician Silurian extinction 444 million years ago. The Ordovician period, from 485 to 444 million years ago, was a time of dramatic changes for life on Earth. Over a 30 million year stretch, species diversity blossomed, but as the period ended, the first known mass extinction struck. At that time, massive glaciation locked up huge amounts of water in an ice cap that covered parts of a large south polar landmass. The icy onslaught may have been triggered by the rise of North America's Appalachian Mountains. The large-scale weathering of these freshly uplifted rocks sucked carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and drastically cooled the planet. Number 4. Late Devonian extinction 383 to 359 million years ago. This extinction event eliminated about 75% of all species on Earth over a span of roughly 20 million years. In several pulses across the Devonian, ocean oxygen levels dropped precipitously, which dealt serious blows to conodonts and ancient shelled relatives of squid and octopuses called goniotites. Rocks from the period in what's now Germany show that as oxygen levels plummeted, many reef-building creatures died out. It's been hard to nail down the cause for the late Devonian extinction pulses, but volcanism is a possible trigger. Within a couple million years of the Kellwasser event, a large igneous province called the Veluwe Traps erupted 240,000 cubic miles of lava in what is now Siberia. The eruption would have spewed greenhouse gases and sulfur dioxide, which can cause acid rain. Number 3. Permian Triassic extinction 252 million years ago. Some 252 million years ago, life on Earth faced the Great Dying, the Permian Triassic extinction. The cataclysm was the single worst event life on Earth has ever experienced. Over about 60,000 years, 96% of all marine species and about 3 of every 4 species on land died out. The world's forests were wiped out and didn't come back in force until about 10 million years later. Marine ecosystems took 4 to 8 million years to recover. The resulting global warming was downright hellish. In the million years after the event, seawater and soil temperatures rose between 25 to 34 degrees Fahrenheit. By 250.5 million years ago, sea surface temperatures at the equator got as high as 104 degrees Fahrenheit, a hot tub's standard maximum temperature. At the time, almost no fish lived near the equator. As temperatures rose, rocks on land weathered more rapidly, hastened by acid rain that formed from volcanic sulfur. Number 2. Triassic-Jurassic extinction 201 million years ago. Life took a long time to recover from the Great Dying, but once it did, it diversified rapidly. Different reef-building creatures began to take hold, and lush vegetation covered the land, setting the stage for a group of reptiles called the archosaurs, the forerunners of birds, crocodilians, pterosaurs, and the non-avian dinosaurs. But about 201 million years ago, life endured another major blow: the sudden loss of up to 80% of all land and marine species. Number 1. Cretaceous Paleogene extinction 66 million years ago. The Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event is the most recent mass extinction. Some 76% of all species on the planet, including all non-avian dinosaurs, went extinct. One day about 66 million years ago, an asteroid roughly 7.5 miles across slammed into the waters off of what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula at 45,000 miles an hour. The massive impact, which left a crater more than 120 miles wide, flung huge volumes of dust, debris, and sulfur into the atmosphere, bringing on severe global cooling. Wildfires ignited any land within 900 miles of the impact, and a huge tsunami rippled outward from the impact. Overnight, the ecosystems that supported non-avian dinosaurs began to collapse. Global warming fueled by volcanic eruptions at the Deccan Flats in India may have aggravated the event. So this is our today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.